Manchester United latest full squad update 2025. Altay Bayandir, country Turkey, age 27, position goalkeepers. Tom Heaton, country England, age 29 years, position goalkeepers. Andre Onana, country Cameroon, age 29 years, position goalkeepers. Victor Lindelof, country Sweden, age 30 years, position defenders. Nusair Mazrao, club Morocco, age 27 years, position defenders. Matthias de Ligt, country Netherlands, age 25 years, position defenders. Harry Maguire, country England, age 32 years, position defenders. Lisandro Martinez, country Argentina, age 27 years, position defenders. Tyrell Marcia, country Netherlands, age 25 years, position defenders. Patrick Dorgu, country Denmark, age 20 years, position defenders. Lenny Yaro, country France, age 19 years, position defenders. Diego Dal, country Portugal, age 26 years, position defenders. Lucas, country England, age 29 years, position defenders. Aiden Heaven, country England, age 18 years, position defenders. Johnny Evans, country Northern Ireland, age 37 years, position defenders. Harry Amos, country England, age 18 years, position defenders. Mason Mount, country England, age 26 years, position midfielders. Bruno Fernandes, country Portugal, age 30 years, position midfielders. Christiano Eriksen, country Denmark, age 33 years, position midfielder. Casemiro, country Brazil, age 33, position midfielder. Manuel Ugarte, country Uruguay, age 24 years, position midfielders. Kobe Mainoo, country England, age 20 years, position midfielders. Toby Collier, country England, age 21 years, position midfielders. Daniel Gore, country England, age 20 years, position midfielders. Rasmus Højlund, country Denmark, age 22 years, position forward. Marcus Rashford, country England, age 27 years, position forwards. Joshua Zirkzee, country Netherlands, age 23 years, position forwards. Amad Diallo, country Ivory Coast, age 22 years, position forwards. Alejandro Garnacho, country Argentina, age 20 years, position forwards. Anthony, country Brazil, age 25 years, position forwards. Ethany Whitley, country England, age 19 years, position forwards. Jadon Sancho, country England, age 25 years, position forwards.